Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, let's not forget about the tips and tricks. Subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Let's get started right now. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Chef Pam and today we're going to be baking blueberry muffins out here on the grill. So let's fire it up. We're going to go back inside now and get started on our mix. Come on with me. I'm going to line my muffin tins, and if you want to see how I'm going to get these blueberry muffins to rise, just keep watching. Okay, we've got our flour here. We're going to mix in a little baking powder and salt. Get that well combined together. Now we're going to mix together our butter. This is about a half a cup of butter. And we're going to mix it with our sugar just until it's nice, light, and fluffy. Now guys, we're going to mix in our eggs, and as always, I like to crack my eggs in something separate just to make sure they're not bad before I put them in my mix. Okay. Next, we're going to add in a couple of teaspoons of vanilla. And this is a little, maybe about a teaspoon of lemon zest. And guys, this batter is going to be very, very thick when we're done, but that's exactly what you want. And I'm going to also be showing you how to make sure your blueberries don't explode and you have blue blueberry muffins. Now we're going to mix in a half a cup of milk along with our flour, alternating between the two. We're going to start with flour first. Okay, now we've got this all mixed up, and as you guys can see, it's getting pretty thick, and that's what we want. Set that aside, and let's take care of our blueberries. I have just a little bit of just regular flour here, and you want to coat the blueberries. Make sure when you're coating them, you don't stir too harsh. You don't want them to burst now either. So you just want them to be well coated. And what this flour does is keep them from exploding all at once when you're mixing them in your batter, as well as while they are cooking, so that you won't end up with blue blueberry muffins. Okay, let's just go ahead and get these in here. And as I mentioned before, your batter will be very thick, so it's not going to be pourable into the muffin tins. You're going to have to literally spoon it in. It will spread as it's heating up, and that's what you want. Once we get out on the grill, I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to make sure these muffins rise and that they do not fall. Okay, we've got our muffin tins all filled up. I'm just going to add a little bit more on top of a couple of these. And we are just about done here, so we're going to go ahead, guys, and get back out here on our grill. Okay, they are all done. As you can see, we're going to sit them right in the middle of our charcoal grill. The grill has been heated to about 350 degrees. There's a little timer right on the top of my grill. Now guys, if you want them to rise, you need to make sure they're cooking evenly. So you need to lift your grill top slowly and quickly. By that I mean very slowly take a peek and let that top back down. That will ensure your blueberry muffins rise. And look at that, guys. They are all done. Let's do the toothpick test. We're going to stick a toothpick in here and see. And yes, it's pretty clean. There's a few crumbs on there, but they are dry crumbs. So we are all done, guys. Take a look and you tell me in the comments, did they rise or did they sink? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about baking on the grill. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to crack one of these open, guys, because I want you all to see the inside. Yes. Okay guys, just take a look at this muffin. It is nice and fluffy and oh my God, it is hot. Let me grab my mitt over here. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick bite of this. Look guys, so nice and fluffy and tender inside. Let me taste this. Oh my goodness. Mesquite charcoal, the flavor. Delicious! Oh my goodness. I'm Chef Pam. This is Chef and More. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and all my updates. And I'll see you next time.